Did you know that your exhaust fan in your bathroom gets dirty and you should check it probably every month or so? It's going to suck up all the dust and dander that's in your bathroom and get clogged up and not work at 100% efficiency. So all you have to do is pull down, pinch the two sides of the metal clamps, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm looking at and see why you should go ahead and get this cleaned out every couple months. All right, so we're all set. Vent cover is clean. The exhaust fan is also clean. So all you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and pinch these metal clamps, stick them into the slots in your fan, just like so. And then you're gonna just push up and then the compression is gonna hold that up there. So till next time, I hope you like this tip. Stay handy, my friends. We'll see ya.